It's Food Truck Friday here at Fish Creek Nissan.
Hi, this is a video.
Yes.
Punta kayo dito.
Hi everybody, welcome to my vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what you're gonna get for your food.
What are we having? So today it's Soul Kitchen barbecue. Do you want to be in my video, Anthony? Hi, Ben.
Hello. Hello guys.
This is Robert doing my vlog. Okay, your turn to order.
Hello.
Okay, so these are my Filipino friends. Say hi. Ito, Kapampangan si Kuya. Magkapampangan ka.
Hi. Kumusta na kayo?
Oh, di ba?
Oh, ni mga kaya kanu libre pagtuan mi.
Yeah. Oh, Kuya. Taga St. Jude.
Hello.
Promote ka ng channel mo.
Watch my channel, Fam Varieties.
Kuya Joel and Bruce.
Hiding, so no one will know who I am.
Hiding your face.
I'm like a bandit.
See you later. Okay, let me show you what I got. Potato salad and mac and cheese for the sides. And then it's smoked brisket. Alright, here we go. Let's try this now. Thank you, Fish Creek Nissan, for bringing in the Soul Kitchen food truck. Happy eating!